In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp images not showing in your phone's gallery, and how to make your WhatsApp media appear properly again. If you've noticed that photos and videos you receive on WhatsApp are no longer visible in your gallery app, don't worry. This usually comes down to a few simple settings, and you can fix it in just a couple of minutes. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and you can follow along on your own phone while you watch. First, open WhatsApp on your device and make sure you're on the main screen where you see all your chats. From here, look for the three dots or the menu icon in the top right corner and tap on it. In the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where all your WhatsApp preferences are controlled, including media visibility. Inside Settings, tap on the option called Chats. On this page, look for a setting labeled Media Visibility. This controls whether newly downloaded photos and videos from WhatsApp will show up in your phone's gallery. If this option is turned off, your gallery will hide those files. To fix that, simply turn Media Visibility on. Once enabled, any new media you download from this point forward should start appearing in your gallery automatically. Sometimes, the issue can also be limited to specific chats or groups. To check that, go back to your chats list and open a conversation where media is not showing in the gallery. Tap on the contact or group name at the top to open the chat info screen. Scroll down until you see Media Visibility. If it's set to No, WhatsApp will hide media from that particular chat in your gallery. Change this setting to Yes so that future photos and videos from this chat can appear in your gallery as well. After adjusting these settings, it's a good idea to test it out. Have someone send you a photo or video, or download one that was recently sent to you, and then open your gallery app to see if it appears there. If it still doesn't show up immediately, close and reopen your gallery app, or restart your phone to refresh the media library. By carefully checking both the global media visibility setting and the per chat visibility options, you should be able to solve the problem of WhatsApp images and videos not showing in your gallery. Take your time with each step, and once everything is set correctly, your WhatsApp media should start appearing just like before.